All right, we've got a customer that has a no start on a Kubota. It is an what is this thing? 2501. So what we believe it is when we tested the battery was bad. Tested the starter was good. But when you turn the key on, all it is a hard click somewhere in this area. We checked the seat switch, which is, I don't know if y'all can see this right here. We put a meter on it. It's fine, it's working. There's this guy. This guy goes for your neutral safety switch, and it's mounted right here on these two screws. Oh, here on these two screws. And what it does is, when you push that thing in neutral, it pushes these in. Here to click. Pushes those in, and that tells it that it's in neutral and it can start. So there's two switches to this one assembly. The white dot one is the one that did not pass the meter test. This one did, this one's fine. So if you're having a no start issue, when you try to start, all it does is a hard click. Be sure to check these. And the way you test it is, just run a meter between these two, and then actuate your switch with the meter connected, and it'll ohm it out. And if you go from open to a closed loop circuit, you know the switch is working. If you still have your meter hooked up, you're pushing the button here and no change, that's a bad switch. Later.